fun, starting off with a large saucepan, and to this you will add 2 cups of white granulated sugar. Then add in 1/2 cup of water and 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup. You could use the dark corn syrup too, I don't think it matters. Then stir everything together, turn the heat on the stove to medium, and start to cook and stir this. It'll eventually come to a boil, so continue to cook it and boil it over medium heat, stirring constantly. I'm using a candy thermometer here. You need to bring this temperature up to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the soft ball stage. Once you reach 240 degrees Fahrenheit, add in 3 tablespoons of butter, and then just stir the butter until it is melted and combined. Now you can just let it boil away without stirring it. Just keep an eye on your thermometer, and you're going to take it off the heat once it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once you get to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Add in 1 cup of salted cashews, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Then 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and give that a good stir. The baking soda is going to cause the mixture to get kind of foamy, and it will also kind of lighten up in color. As soon as it's stirred properly, you're going to pour this into another pan. Pour your mixture on top of a cookie sheet or a baking dish. This one's a 15 by 10 jelly roll pan. Just make sure that whatever pan you use is lined with aluminum foil and that aluminum foil is well greased. Pour the mixture on top and immediately spread it out so that it's nice and thin. And then all you have to do is just let it sit there until it hardens completely. And that doesn't take very long at all. And then once it's hardened, you just need to break it up into small pieces and then just put it in a container for storage, one that has a lid, and you can store it at room temperature. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you've ever had peanut brittle, you know how this tastes already. It's basically like a peanut brittle. The addition of the Rice Krispies gives it a really interesting kind of texture and crunch. And the only thing that I thought was lacking in this was there wasn't enough nuts in it. So if you make this, or if I were to make this again, I would double the amount of nuts. I would put either 2 cups of cashews or maybe add a cup of peanuts or something like that. That's the only thing I would add to it. Otherwise, it's a nice Christmas candy. An assortment of homemade Christmas treats or Christmas candies would make a great gift for someone that you love that has a sweet tooth. Here's a Christmas treats playlist and a candy making playlist. Thank you so much for watching.